People often think that how can we increase our online sales? What are the tools strategies to use? Hello viewers. My name is Saad and in today's video, I will tell you about 5 proven e-commerce marketing strategies to try in 2022. Hit the red bell icon and subscribe to my channel. 1. Invest in SEO. E-commerce SEO refers to the search engine optimization of an online store. The goal is to get your product pages among the top 10 results on search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing. This brings more organic, non-paid and free traffic to your website. Backlinko found that the number 1 organic result is 10 times more likely to receive a click compared to a page in spot number 10. Some ways to invest in SEO are performing keyword research and including keywords in your page URLs, product descriptions, and blog posts. Optimizing your website structure and creating a good user experience. Building backlinks from other reputable websites. Done well, you can show up for popular search terms related to your products. The screenshot below shows Shopify merchant Everyday Yoga ranking on page 1 in Google search for the term women's yoga pants, which receives more than 49,500 searches per month. 2. Run an influencer marketing campaign. Influencer marketing is a smart way to accelerate your e-commerce business online. It helps you reach new audiences, build brand awareness, and work with creators that make sales for you. Influencers are like internet celebrities that work as ambassadors for your brand. You pay them to promote your products through free products, cash, or discounts. Influencer marketing is superb for finding relevant customers. How often have you seen an Instagram post from an influencer, liked what they were wearing, and wanted to buy it? Promoting products through influencers shortens up the sales cycle. With more social commerce features on Instagram and TikTok, shoppers can buy directly from the platform. 3. Sell on marketplaces. It's no secret that marketplaces are where people shop online. The top online marketplaces sold $3.32 trillion in goods in 2021, accounting for 2/3 of global e-commerce sales. Marketplaces like Amazon and eBay can help people discover your brand easier, reaching millions of people around the world. Some customers are die-hard marketplace shoppers, and there is a higher chance they'll buy something from you on a channel they know. However, they do come with hefty selling fees and other caveats to consider. That's why, for e-commerce brands, it's recommended to use marketplaces to complement your branded store. You don't need to list all your products on a marketplace, just some of the bestsellers. Create compelling listings that show off your brand and add branded packaging inserts to marketplace orders that encourage people to shop directly from your website. 4. Run PPC campaigns. Pay-per-click (PPC) advertising is the main model of online advertising for businesses both large and small. It's backed by data, easy to scale, and offers a good return on investment. PPC ads often target online ad space in search engines, social media platforms, or websites. These ads work well for e-commerce brands because they target ready-to-buy shoppers and can lead to higher sales than organic marketing. The big benefit of PPC ads is how targeted you can get with campaigns. You can choose exactly who you'll advertise to and the type of ad that's shown. You can also run retargeting ads to people who have viewed specific landing pages or previous ads and encourage them to shop on your site again. 5. Engage online store visitors with live chat. There are other high-impact ways to engage with site visitors and customers outside of email. For example, you could use live chat to engage with shoppers on your site. Many live chat tools let you target browsers on certain pages after they've been on your site for a certain length of time, or even after they've arrived on your site through an email newsletter. Live chat also enables you to have direct conversations with your customers so you can answer and address concerns right when they're planning to buy. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to